Welcome to Pest Exterminating Services. We provide pest control services to residential, commercial, restaurants, warehouses, hospitals, and other establishments. We're your solution to unwanted pests such as bedbugs, roaches, mice, rats, silverfish, ants, fleas, termites, spiders, raccoons, squirrel, mosquitoes, and more. We're your one-stop shop for a full range of easy-to-use household pest control supplies and restricted pest-related chemicals. We carry a full line of products to control a wide range of pests. We have easy-to-use DIY pest control products for your household use. Our knowledgeable and professional staff can walk you through the process of choosing the right chemicals for your pest needs. We carry products that are safe for children and pets. To hire our expertise, please call us at 718-284-7379, and we will send out a knowledgeable professional to do a free inspection and quote. Our company president is a certified pest control instructor from New York State. We also certify professionals seeking licenses in pest management. Visit our website today at www.bestpestsupplies.com to place an order online.